Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Thea George and I'm here with Benoit Desserre from Société Générale. We're at Cybos 2017 in Toronto and we're talking about innovation in corporate banking. Benoit, thank you for joining me.
Good morning.
Tell me about the digital transformation project that you have underway.
We are, currently under what I would define as a large transformation within bank. Digital is one part of it, and it's certainly something that is taking our attention. There's a lot of projects on the way, but it stays within the same guidelines as we had in the past, i.e. what's the interest of the customers in terms of new offering, what's the interest of the customers in terms of safety, and therefore we're touching on some of the aspects of what is digital applications for that matter, but it's also in terms of transparency for the customers. So if you look in details, basically it's the tools that we're using and the way we're using it, but the goals remain the same for our customers and the interest of our customers.
So what do you think still needs to be improved in corporate to bank flows? And can you tell me a bit about some of the initiatives underway to address that?
Transformations continue and we got a lot of initiatives going on for the moment. One initiative we're here at Cybos, and that's obvious, the Swift GPI initiative that a lot of banks are embracing. We're part of the initial banks that were getting into GPI. GPI is by essence what the customers are looking for. They get transparency on our side of the transactions that they're performing. They get also faster payment. There are an engagement from the bank that the performance of the transactions will be done within a very short tenor as opposed to what they were having before. And three, and as important as the two other ones, it's traceability of what they're doing. They will be able to show literally on our screen, on their screen, what the transaction is doing, where it stands, where it's heading, and that's exactly what we want to do with our customers. Another example that I often give is the announcement we just did this morning on a new offer. It's based on blockchain. It's actually work with our customers for helping them in getting through the exports. It's a bit complicated for any company that starts on the exports to understand the rules, how to do it, how to handle it. We want to bring the knowledge of the banks, banks of the sellers, banks of the buyers, and it's the reason why we've teamed up with 8 other banks for helping them in exports. We do think that bringing confidence to them through the knowledge that we have, it will help them into getting into that business of exporting, i.e. business of supporting and growing their business on their own.
So lots of great collaboration there. You've mentioned customers a few times. How do you make sure that the innovation that you're doing is really client-oriented and is going to deliver value to clients?
Most of the new innovations that we bring on the table are actually discussed with our customers, and they are getting involved into anything that we bring to the market. So anything that we bring to the market is actually designed with them, tested with them, and discussed with them. There is not much innovation at this stage. That is something that we do, separate from our customers. It's not an in-chamber type innovation. It's really an open, more discussion that we have with our customers. There's a lot of feedbacks that we get from our customers. The advantage we banks brings to our customers is we've been running with them for a long time. We know what they're looking for. Sometimes we were not as fast as delivering what they were looking for, but it's certainly the part of the innovation that accelerated over the last 4 years. 4 to 5 years has been a long time, but if you see everything that has been brought to the market, sometimes through the fintech, sometimes through collaborations between fintechs and banks, and sometimes banks together, that's what we intend to do. Each and every single time you will see that it's not just bank bringing the innovations, it's bank and customers. There are always customers that want to get involved into it with us. And that's how we feel that we should do all the developments for them, to their attention.
Benoit, this has been great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And thank you for watching.